7, 20, verse 1. And the Lord answered you the day of trouble, the name of God, Jacob protect you. Amen. Now, last prayer. Repeat the prayer after me. Our Father in heaven, glory your name, your kingdom, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today all the evil, forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. And thine is the kingdom, and power and glory forever and ever. Amen. I thought this today where I thought for a day. Today's thought is most forward way bringing you how I like to be the and you are nothing and yet to present today to the holiday. Welcome dear circular. Semen செய்த உதவிக்கு வைக்குமோ வணக்கமோ ஆச்சரியிட அழுவற்கு நாம் எந்த நன்மையும் செய்யாத போதாமல் நமக்கு புது எதாதற்கு தேவையான மின்னலையும் கொடுத்தாலும் குணமாக நன்றி. If it is into present, what can be for a day? Good morning everyone. Today's vocabulary for SL Oshike Mini Movabus. Example fog of sea. We found ourselves looking for fish. Thank you. Thank you for Alam and decibel and yet to present and this is fast. Good morning everyone. Today I am referring to Mommy Vaccine smallest bird in the world. It's a even better. If we press our back, shoulder and back, serve. After having all the wings back, I bet our back can live at the successful. Thank you. Thank you, I am listener. I trust that you will speak about the test. Good morning, friends. I am a bird. Living like a bird is not easy. It was easier in the past, but not now. You humans are the reasons for our present situation. You humans made big houses to live at by taking our houses. We don't have trees to live. We lie under the sun because of your crazy technology. Entire environment is suffering. Being a bird is a curse because of you humans. Just think, we are all living beings to live in this earth. Please save birds, save trees, and save environment. Thank you. Now our friends going to perform a praise dance.
Bartolito was a rooster on a quiet little farm. When the sun came up, Bartolito crowed like this. No, Bartolito, that's a cow. Bartolito was a rooster on a quiet little farm. When the sun came up, Bartolito crowed like this. Quack, quack, quack. No, Bartolito, that's a duck.
wise old owl sat in an oak. The more he heard, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he heard. Why aren't we all like that wise old bird?
On the farm there's a little chick. On the farm there's a little chick. And the chick cheep, 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 and the chick cheep. On the farm there's a little chicken. On the farm there's a little chicken. And the chicken cluck, and the chick cheep, and the chick cheep, and the chick cheep, and the chick cheep, and the chick cheep.
Now, someone can write with a pencil. Tiny